Okay, good morning. Welcome to
SuperMath number 73.
SuperMath73. So today we studied how to construct angle bisectors. And so I've drawn an arbitrary angle here, and I would like you to demonstrate how to construct an angle bisector.
Alright. So I'm going to take just any length here with the point on the start of the angle.
Okay, what's the start of the angle called?
It's the origin.
The vertex of the angle.
So this will give us 2 points. Well, maybe I should do it a little bigger.
That's okay. That's fine.
So these 2 points.
As long as you mark it, it'll be easy to see. Okay, so we have those 2 points.
So
What do we know about those 2 points?
those 2 points, they're the same distance away from the angle bisector. And they're on this circle.
Okay, so they're the same distance away right now from what?
From this point.
From the vertex angle, the vertex of the angle.
I'll just mark the vertex angle.
Okay, so they're the same distance away from there, and we know points, the angle bisector is equidistant from each of these lines, so these 2 points are going to be the same distance away from the angle bisector. Okay, so what are you going to do now?
So now I'm going to construct a circle with this point as its center.
Okay.
There.
All right.
Then I'm going to do the same thing here. So in the center.
Careful.
Yeah. Probably the best I can do.
Okay.
So I'm going to now use this distance made by the circle, the diameter of the circle.
What are you going to do next? What's the next step here?
So I need to make 2 perpendiculars.
You're trying to make 2 perpendiculars. Okay.
So just going to do this. Flip it around. And then this is the point we get.
Okay, so you get a point up there, and you can draw a perpendicular here. All right. So that's the perpendicular. So we know if we measure that from the angle bisector, the distance down, we're going to get a perpendicular. So we know this line is going to intersect the angle bisector, and that line is going to give us the distance from the angle bisector down to this part of the angle.
So now I need to do the same thing, but upside down with this point.
Okay.
So since that's about the same. Like that. There. So it goes up, flip it around, and do the same thing.
Okay.
This one.
All right. So that is going to be the perpendicular to there.
So you need to move it a little.
Okay. Like that.
Yeah.
So that intersection point.
Here, this is on the angle bisector.
That's going to give us the angle bisector. So hold on. Wait. You gotta get it lined up. Okay.
Might be more, yeah.
Okay.
It's pretty close.
There we go. Sorry.
Big
I didn't
dot.
get it lined up. There was a shadow from the lights. But notice that also this other circle you drew originally, we're passing through that point and that
Yeah,
point, the
so
intersection of those circles. So there's actually a little
Sneaky shortcut.
secret little sneaky shortcut. But there you go. So what did you do? You marked off 2 equal distances. And then you drew perpendiculars from those distances, and that intersection points on the angle bisector. The vertex of the angle is also on the angle bisector. So once you have that point and that point, you can just draw the angle bisector. That is a very nice way to construct the angle bisector. Good job. Good job.